Good morning to all. Welcome to all in online science class. Today we will read chapter 10 Water Pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers and groundwater. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. There are so many causes of water pollution. In this picture, you can see that there are too much waste materials of our homes which are being dumped into the river. That's why the water of the river becomes impure. Another ways of water pollution is people bath in river water. People also bath their cattle in river water. Due to this water becomes impure. Industrial wastes are also being thrown in the river water, which is also a cause of water pollution. In this picture, you can see that there is oil on the surface of water, that is oil spills, which is also a cause of water pollution. Now we will understand the word meanings of this chapter. Resource means supply of something. Existence, the state of being alive. Survival, in order to sustain life. Habitat, natural home of plant or animal. Impure, not clean. Dissolve, to make something become liquid. Impurities, the state or quality of being impure. Waste material, unused substance. Cattle, group of animals. Dumped, to put down something carelessly. Sewage, waste matter such as feces or dirty water from home or factories which flows away through sewers. Drain, a pipe or hole in the ground that dirty water goes down to be carried away. Chemical fertilizers, a synthetic compound substance used to increase the production of crop. Essential, completely necessary. Now you also read these word meanings and also understand the pronunciation of these word meanings. Today we will read chapter 10 Water Pollution. As we know that water is a natural resource which is important for all living beings. Without water, we can't sustain on the earth. And pollution means the action of making the water, air, etc. dirty and dangerous. In this chapter, we will know that how can we pollute the water. Let us start now. We have already learnt about the natural sources of water. As we know that rain and snow are the two major natural sources of water. We have to write here 4 natural sources of water. At first we will write rain, snow, rivers, lakes. Water is an important natural resource which is essential for all living beings. It is a habitat for many plants and animals. As I have told, without water we can't live. Water is a habitat for many plants and animals. Resource means supply of something, and essential means completely necessary. Water is completely necessary for all living beings. Water is a habitat for many plants and animals. The plants which live in water are called aquatic plants and the animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Habitat means natural home of plant or animal. So water is a natural home of plant or animal. It is essential for the existence and survival of all plants and animals. Existence means the state of being alive and survival means in order to sustain life. We have already learned that rain is the major source of pure water. We get pure water from rain. Rainwater, when just formed, is the purest form of water. As it reaches the surface of the earth, it usually becomes impure. When rainwater comes on the surface of the earth, it usually becomes impure, means water is not clean on the earth. This is because it dissolves not only some harmful gases present in air but also has dust, smoke, particles and germs getting mixed in it. When rainwater forms, it is the purest form of water, but when it comes on the surface of the earth, it usually becomes impure. Impure means not clean, because it dissolves harmful gases, dust, smoke, particles and germs. Water containing impurities is called polluted water. Impurities means the state or quality of being impure, not clean. The process which make water impure result in pollution of water. Now we will know that causes of water pollution. What are the causes of water pollution? As rainwater reaches rivers and lakes, it becomes more impure as sand and mud get mixed with it. However, there are many human activities which also increase water pollution. There are so many human activities which increase water pollution. In this picture you can see we are making water impure by bathing cattle and by bathing ourselves. People wash their clothes and bath in river water. Some people bath their cattle in rivers. Cattle means group of animals. Now come in next page. People throw domestic waste in rivers. Due to this, water of river becomes impure. Waste material and harmful chemicals from factories are often dumped in river water. Dumped means to put down something carelessly. Waste material from home, factories, people flow in the river water. Due to this, river water become impure. Solid waste material from power plants may be thrown into the river water. Water from drains and sewage goes into rivers. Drain means a pipe or hole in the ground that dirty water goes down to be carried away and which flows in river. And sewage means waste matter such as feces or dirty water from home or factories which flows away through sewers into the rivers. These days, farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides to increase the production of their crops. Chemical fertilizer, a synthetic compound substance used to increase the production of crops. Crops means grains. Most of these chemicals flow into lakes or rivers after getting mixed with rainwater. When these chemical fertilizers and pesticides mixed with rainwater, it pollutes the river water. Oil spilled by tankers and oil wells pollutes seawater. In this picture, you can see that there is oil spill. Due to this, river water or seawater becomes impure. In this picture, you can see that wastes are being thrown into rivers, and here oil sometimes gets spilled by tankers into the sea. These are the causes of water pollution. That's all for today.